Hi folks, what's going on? Today I received two reels by mail order, and they are the A.jensen Pena and the A.jensen Newton. And I want to do a first look review on both reels, and I started with the A.jensen Pena. Well, I was looking for a fly reel to complement my 5 or my 6 weight rod, and I was looking around for a few reels from Hardy. I've looked some reels of Vision, and this week there was a great promotion on A.jensen Fly Fishing web shop in the Netherlands. And I stumbled upon this reel, the A.jensen Pena, and it looked very interesting to me. And my first impression of this reel is it's a very nice design. It's very well designed and engineered, and I will tell you why. First of all, it's a gem of a reel to look at. I am always fond of black reels. Maybe it's boring, but I like the black reels mostly because they complement most fly rods very well. And this reel is something special. First of all, it's a very lightweight design. It's very much ported. It is CNC made from bar stock aluminium, 6061 aluminium, so that's quite a good aluminium. And it is ported very much, so you can see there are lots of holes in it without compromising strength. It gives you an advantage of a very lightweight reel, and this reel is very light. I weighed it in at approximately 138 grams, and that's for a reel this size, for a 4, 5, 6 weight reel. Very light. And the porting design gives an advantage that the reel dries very well, is lightweight, and your line also dries very well. But there are some very interesting features on this reel. First of all, there's a very good counterbalance on it, and I can't do it now because I have to film it one-handed. If you test the drag on this reel, it doesn't wobble, it doesn't spin. It's really a very good design, and it has a steep handle design. Well, let's see if we can see that. Here it is. And it gives you very much a firm grip, and very easy to find. It's very ergonomical. What I also like about this reel is that the build quality is really very high. I think it's made in Korea, but there's almost no play on this reel, and it's lightweight. It doesn't wobble, and all pieces are very well designed. Of course, this is a first look, and I can't say when I use it for more than half a year or a year how it will stand up. But if I take a look, it looks very well designed, and there aren't many problems I think to expect. I like the open design of the reel because it's very easy to rim if you play a fish. It also has a disadvantage, and that is if you play a fish, you really have to watch out not to touch the spool unwanted. If a big fish takes a run and you stick the reel to your arm, you always have a chance with this open design that you rim the spool. So it's very important to take the reel and the rod to stand out from your body of other parts of your like your arms and that kind of stuff. But what I also like about this reel is the drag knob. The drag knob is very big, it's rounded, so you can touch it very, very easy. I'm not a huge fan to change drags while fighting a fish, but sometimes it's necessary. So it's very easy to reach. The reel itself is comes with a sealed drag system, and maybe on another video I will go into the specs of that, but it's totally sealed, so it should be waterproof. But all I can tell is that the drag is really, really very, very smooth. It has a wide range of segments. You can change the drag settings on a very wide range, so it's almost impossible to break a tippet with this reel. What also is a great feature on this reel, let's see if I can show that, is that the foot of the reel is round by design. So if you want to change from a fishing spot and cringle your leader around the reel foot, you don't harm the leader. You don't nick it or something, or it gets stuck. That's a cool little feature. So I think this is a very well designed reel. When it comes to capacity, it approximately takes an intermediate 6 weight forward line with, let's say, 90 yards of gel spun backing, and that's quite a lot. So it's very, very usable for light sea trout fishing, and also for reservoir fishing, maybe very light pike fishing, trout fishing, of course, in very, very much different circumstances. But yeah, it's very much a very well engineered and very refined looking reel. And in reality, it looks much better than on a video clip or on a picture. Well, first looks are very, very impressive. Well, thanks for watching, and wish you lots of luck with fishing. See you next time.